AI tech bros are gonna hate me for sharing this, but I honestly don't care because I'm tired of them making it seem like making money with AI is so complicated, when in reality, it's so much simpler than you think. Now, obviously, I'm not a tech bro. I don't have a computer degree and I don't know how to code, but it doesn't matter because I still built a 7-figure online business and personal brand, and I use AI every day to help me do it. And in the next few minutes, I want to prove to you that making money with AI is not as hard as you think by showing you 3 simple ways to do it that you can realistically create in about an hour and even start selling the same day. And to make it as absolutely simple as possible, I'm also going to show you how to do it with only one AI tool. So you don't have to worry about connecting a bunch of different apps, coding anything, or paying for multiple AI subscriptions. And no, the AI tool is not Claude Code. It's an AI platform that's way easier to use called Genspark. But if you're still a bit skeptical, I totally understand, which is why I'm backing everything up with proof so you can see that it actually works. And I'm not making anything up just to get your attention. I'm going to show you the monetization proof first so you can see that this is working right now. Then I'll show you step by step how to build it with AI so that you can create something similar yourself. So what you see here is a digital planner for people with ADHD that is selling on Etsy right now. It's a digital product, which means when someone buys it, they don't get anything physical sent to them. They get a downloadable file. And this product is basically a collection of digital template pages that the buyer can download, print, and fill out on paper, or download and fill out on their phone or iPad. This specific type of digital product is called a template. And yes, I know it seems a bit boring at first glance, but there's 2 crazy things about this product that literally shocked me when I saw it and made me start paying attention to digital templates like this. First is how popular they actually are. Because like I just said, when you first look at this, you're probably thinking, this seems really boring. Like, who would actually buy a digital template? I honestly had this exact same thought until I saw this. When I pulled up the sales data for this product, over 20,000 people have bought this digital template, so it's actually surprisingly popular. And the second crazy thing is how much this one digital template has made for its seller. As of right now, it's made over $300,000 in revenue. And it's a simple digital product that they only had to create once. Now, I'm obviously not saying you're gonna make thousands of dollars instantly or even at all, because there's no way for me to guarantee anything like that. This seller obviously researched their audience, found a common problem, and created a solution with their template. But this is proof that there's clearly demand for digital templates like this in this specific niche, at least. There's no denying that. But to prove it's not just this one niche or this one product, let me show you 2 other examples in completely different niches, like I promised in the intro. The second one is a digital budget planner, which is within the finance niche. But it works the same way. The buyer purchases the digital file, then they can download it instantly to their iPad or laptop. And when we look at the sales data, you can see this simple budget template making its seller over $95,000. And here's the third example in a completely different niche again. It's a wedding planner template, which is in the relationships niche. And when we look at the sales data for this product, it's sold over 3,000 times, making its seller over $180,000. And that's only 3 examples. I could go on forever showing you other examples of digital templates like these that are selling like crazy on Etsy every single day. But the point I'm trying to make here is that if you want to make money with AI, you don't have to start some complicated business with complicated products or build complicated AI systems with 20 different AI tools. And even though the tech bros love to flaunt these flashy AI business models like running agencies or AI automation services, just so they can turn around and sell you their course, it's actually simple little digital products like these that you can create with AI in just a few minutes, one time, then sell over and over again, that are quietly making the biggest impact for regular people like us. So let me show you how you can actually build and sell templates like these with AI. So the AI tool I like to use for this is called Genspark. Bet you thought I was going to say Claude Code or even Canva. Well, to be honest, I actually do not recommend Claude Code or even Canva for this specific task, especially if you're newer to using AI. That's because Canva is really time consuming because you have to build everything yourself manually, and their AI design tools aren't very good in my opinion, at least not yet. And Claude Code is really complicated to set up if you don't know what you're doing because you actually have to train or code it to do the tasks you want done. Not a lot of people talk about this, but Claude doesn't actually know how to design digital products or build a business. You have to train it or code it to do these things yourself, which is pretty complicated and time-consuming, especially if you've never done it before, or if you have no idea how to build a business in the first place. So that's why I use Genspark, because it comes pre-trained with all the tools, skills, and agents you need to build a real online business with AI, which saves a lot of time. And personally, that's always what helps me choose which AI tools to use. Which one will help me accomplish my task the fastest. But watch as I show you how to create a digital PDF template with Genspark similar to the one I just showed you, like the ADHD planner, in less than 5 minutes. Once you create your Genspark account, you'll get access to the main dashboard, which you'll see right here. From here, all you have to do is choose which tool or agent you want to use from the menu below the chat, or in the side menu right here. To create digital templates, I'm using the design agent because it's pre-trained on how to design anything from landing pages, apps, videos, marketing content, digital PDF templates like I'm going to show you, and even social media content or ads to promote your product as well, which we'll talk about in a minute. I'm also going to show you how to create digital spreadsheet style templates in just a minute, like the budget template I showed you earlier. But for now, once you click on the design agent, it will open this screen where all you have to do is chat with Genspark or prompt it, telling it what you want it to create for you. You don't have to code anything. You can see my prompt on the screen right here. It's telling Genspark's design agent that I want it to build a digital PDF ADHD template planner for me. It also includes what content and pages I want it to have, what I want it to look like, including the color scheme and the style, and the overall problem I want it to solve. You can also upload reference images that you want it to use as inspiration if you want, but make sure you explain in the prompt that you do not want it to copy the reference images exactly. Copying another person's template is first wrong, and second, won't actually get you more sales because the existing seller already has the momentum. You're not going to be able to compete with an already winning product. So you need to make sure your template has a slightly different angle or includes different features. Now I'm going to submit the prompt, and Genspark's design agent will get to work building and coding my template for me. Now, it might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes to build your first template. But while it's working, I want to say that you can feel free to copy my example prompt that I use for this example. Just make sure you do your own audience research and choose a niche and problem to build your own templates around. My personal advice is to stick to one niche, topic, or specific problem to solve at first. Then once you start getting sales and learn what works and what doesn't, you can expand to other niches as well. I created a full step-by-step checklist to go along with this tutorial that includes all of my prompts from this video, so you can just copy and paste them instead of typing them out. The link is down below, and there's also a link to access Genspark below this video as well, if you want to follow along with me. No pressure to use the link, but it will also give you free credits, so it won't cost you anything to test it out. Now, it looks like the design agent has finished my first template, and it's ready to go. Let's see what it looks like. You can review your template here on the right side of the screen by scrolling. And as I scroll, you can see the template includes everything I asked for. A really nice cover page, all the planner pages I requested, like a monthly calendar page, a daily planner page, a habit tracker with simple instructions on how to fill out each page. It also follows the style and color scheme I gave it in the prompt. And most importantly, it has the actual blank template elements where the user can fill out the fields and enter their own details, which is the whole point of a downloadable template. Now, this is just a basic example of how this can be done with Genspark's design agent. When you're doing this, you'll want to get more detailed and make sure it includes all of the pages and features that would really help your audience solve a specific problem. But when you're using the design agent, if it doesn't get it right on the first try, which does happen sometimes, don't worry, because it also has all of these edit tools here on the top right, like the tweak tool, where you can add simple changes just by chatting in regular language like this. The edit button, which will let you edit each individual element on the page just by clicking on them like this. And the draw tool, which allows you to circle or draw right on a specific page to change whatever you want, like this. Again, you should spend more time on this when you're actually creating your product, but the point is, you can see how easy it is to go from nothing to a sellable product really quickly when you're using the right AI tool. Now, quick side note, I'm not going to cover it in this video, but you can also use the design agent to design apps for you as well. I used my ADHD planner template idea and took it a step further and turned it into an actual app, which you can see right here. Because if you can see that a template is doing really well, an app would do equally well with the right marketing. I'm not going to show you how to create apps in Genspark in this tutorial, but the cool thing is you can do it all inside just one app, which is again why I personally use Genspark. If you want me to create a follow-up tutorial on how to create and sell apps with Genspark's code tool, let me know in the comments. If enough people are interested, I'll create a whole tutorial. And you can also create spreadsheet style templates like the budget planner template I showed you earlier as well, using Genspark's AI Sheets tool. The process is the same as what I just showed you with Genspark Design Agent, but this tool is specifically pre-trained to create spreadsheets for you. This is really helpful because if you've ever used Excel or Google Sheets, you know it's actually pretty complicated and time-consuming to create templates like this, because you need to know how to add in the codes and formulas and build the charts. I have no idea how to do any of this, but the AI Sheets tool is pre-trained to do it all for you. So I just give it a prompt like the one you see right here. Hit submit, and again, Genspark coded everything for me. And because it's pre-trained on creating spreadsheets, all of the formulas and charts work perfectly. And it even added the color scheme and style I wanted, similar to our example budget template that we saw earlier. Now, again, when you're doing this, you'll want to make sure you go through this process thoroughly, testing everything and checking the pages and tabs to make sure your PDF and your spreadsheets look and function exactly how you want them to. Because even though AI can speed up the process a lot for us, it's still not perfect. So before you sell anything, make sure you go through every line and make sure it's correct. And once you're 100% happy with it, you can download your PDF by clicking right here in the design tool. Or export your spreadsheet template by clicking right here. Then, once it's downloaded, all you have to do is upload it to your Etsy shop, Shopify store, or whichever online store or website you want to sell it on. But I know what you're thinking. Stacy, creating the product is what everyone shows us. But how do we market it so we can actually get traffic and sell it? And you're right, that's the part that every single other YouTube video leaves out. But not this time. As a reward for sticking with me through the whole video, I'm going to show you how you can use Genspark to also help you get traffic and sales. The first thing you're going to do is come back over to your Genspark dashboard. Click here to open a new chat, but this time choose the super agent. Then you're going to upload a link to a similar winning product on Etsy or whichever platform you want to sell your digital template on, as well as upload your finished digital template file into the chat. Then you're going to enter a prompt like this where you're asking Genspark to analyze your product and the competitor listing, and then ask it to create an Etsy listing for your product, including a list of SEO keywords for you to target to help you get maximum traffic using Etsy SEO strategies. Don't forget, you can copy and paste my prompts right from the free video checklist that I created. Then when you submit the prompt, the super agent will analyze everything, your product, the competitor listing, and write a perfect Etsy listing for you that you can use to sell your product. The next way that Genspark can help you get sales is by creating marketing images for your product page, including mockups. Without really great product images, you'll struggle to get any sales at all. And this is something I see almost every single beginner skip. To create product images for your digital template, all you have to do is open the design tool again and go back to your existing chat where you created your digital template. Then prompt the design agent to create product images for your product in any style that you like. You can see my prompt right here. I asked it to create realistic lifestyle type images and mock-up style images. And you can see what it created for me right here. Then upload them to your product page, which will increase clicks and trust with your product. The last way you can increase traffic to your digital product is by marketing them on social media, because relying on Etsy SEO traffic alone is another huge mistake I see beginners make and is probably the #1 reason why they don't make any sales in the beginning. You can also run ads to your products, but again, beginners don't always have money to run ads right away, which is why I always suggest you promote your products for free on social media. And for digital products, I specifically recommend Pinterest. And just like creating your product images, you can get the design agent to create Pinterest pins for you just by giving it another prompt in your existing chat. You can see my prompt right here. Then here you can see a few Pinterest pins that the design agent created for me, formatted perfectly for Pinterest. Now, if you're sitting there watching this, feeling excited to try it, but also wondering how you put this all together, I don't want you to worry because I put all of the steps together that I just showed you in order inside my free video checklist. The checklist includes every prompt I use in this video that you can copy and paste, as well as numbered steps that you can follow to build your first digital template business. The link to get my checklist is down in the description, as well as the link to access Genspark. And don't forget about the free credits when you use my link below. But again, it's completely up to you whether you click on it or not. And if you want even more help from me with building your first online business or side hustle with AI, go join my community. There you can access my more in-depth tutorials, join my live Q&As where I answer your questions in real time, and also connect with other beginner and experienced online business owners too. The link to join is down below. Hopefully, I see you there.